after really the program started at the end of 2011 before it was really a program. And it's through years of dedication with teams like this, great contractors like MEI and George working side by side through all these things that got thrown at us that no one could have even imagined. You know, the things that were supposed to be hard at times weren't, and then the things that we couldn't even imagine were just ridiculously difficult. But this is a great achievement and a great investment for the future of our community and providing a resilient supply to our community. So many people, there's hundreds of people have been working on this program since it began, and we each had an important role, and so we should all feel pretty proud of ourselves. And maybe we don't feel like it right now, but someday we'll look back, we'll think what a great achievement, and we're all going to be very proud that we all had a role in delivering this awesome project and program.
This is kind of a really cool time. You know, the cost of something is what you give up to get it, and all of us have put a lot into the Willamette, to these pipelines, and to this project, and into each other, and to supporting each other. For me, it's been 8 years. Others, I don't know, who's been on Willamette for more than 10 years?
11 and a half.
15, 8, 5. All of us have really worked very hard on this, bringing our initiative, adaptability, resilience. It's been a long time. Our intelligence, our grit, our effort, early mornings, late nights, especially the field crews through all conditions. It's really amazing what we've done to get here. I'm just really grateful for all of you, and it's important that we celebrate this.